Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And I'm just letting you see the difference between doing a pedicure in Jamaica versus a pedicure in the United States. Well, your feet are, trust me, your feet are well pampered. As you can see, all the time they take and the effort to make that foot, come back to original. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, trust me. I'm at SPA2Go. This is off Waterloo Road. Very natural beauty stop here. All natural products, natural oils, and stuff like that. Yeah, so trust me, do a great job. Oh, look at that. This is another scrubber going on here. That's for the softer one. Just to tone it down. Ooh, wow, that feels good already. Oh, wow, I can see that one do the toning, the softer. Now it feels like a baby foot bottom. Oh, that feels so good. I need to take some stress off my feet, people. America is too stressful. Yes, when I come to Jamaica, I have to get the whole works. After this, I go to get me a full Swedish body massage, okay? Get the stress off the back. Yeah, look at that. Oh, wow. Yeah. And I noticed the soap that's here when your feet is soaked. Your feet is soaked in a lot of water with a lot of soap, so it looks like it's actually having a bath. Some places don't soak your feet like that. Back home, you don't get a lot of soap, so that's key. The feet has to be well soaked, so it is much easier, what I'm saying, to get off calluses, So, Jamaican style pedicure here. Yes. And I'm getting some lovely music while my feet are being done. Yeah. If you're looking for somewhere to go, people, SPA2Go. Okay? SPA2Go. It's off Waterloo Road. If you know where Mega Mart is, not too far from New Kingston either. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. And one-stop shop. Yeah, one-stop shop. And there's a beauty place in front too. Yeah. So she's perming the toes right now. Yeah, she already got off a lot of gel nail polish there too. Yes. Uh-huh. Wow, I'm telling you, she's good at this. Yeah. The difference with black people doing everything, people, trust me. Yeah. Your own black folks doing the toes, man, I tell you, you get the real treatment. Yeah. See, that's the way to take off the gel polish. Yeah. Look at that.
Yeah, we don't buff it out.
Yeah. Weather's beautiful here now, people, in May. Oh my gosh. Had a lot of rains this week, so the wind is beautiful. It's so cool outside. I love Jamaica like this. Trust me, this is my Jamaica. A lot of cool, fresh air. This air you don't get in America. You don't get this air in America. It's so refreshing. The air is fresh. You're breathing nice, fresh air, not polluted air. No, we're no better than yet, folks. Matter where in the world you go. You know, yeah. Look how easy that gel nail polish is coming off there. Alright, no, you wanna, what do you call this thing again, the loofah?
No, we call it a pedi file.
The petty file. You heard that, people. This is a petty file. That's the way to file a foot bottom, man. See how broad that is? Wow, man. I sure got the work done on there. Yeah. Alright, you can feel that thing working. Trust me. Alright, yeah, a little foot cream there. What's that now, the scrub?
No, this is a callus treatment that softens the callus, makes it easier to come off.
Wow.
So it'll cut up the foot bottom too much.
Sure. What treatment, girl? Treatment? I love to hear that. So we protecting the feet here, the feet bottom and the,
Yeah, we just
yeah.
want the dead cells, or dead skin to come off, not the healthy ones. We don't want to disrupt the healthy part of the skin.
Oh, wow, I love that. Y'all heard that? Oh, that's cool.
Hi, Grace. Okay, so come inside, come to the extreme right of the parking lot. There's a water store. Just walk beside the water store, straight towards the back. Okay.
Oh, that's your next appointment already?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Oh, Lord.
It's a
have
little
mercy.
early, but
Oh, okay. Oh my goodness. Sorry, darling. And then his car was giving trouble, so that's why.
okay.
And that's why he came. He had to come so late for me because he was like, he got to go back to the car place. He just said that he take me. Yeah. But I didn't even know he was having trouble till he told me close to when he's to pick me up.
Yeah.
But I said, if I've known, that's
Call
fine.
somebody else.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. I didn't even know that.
That's it. Everybody is trying to secure the dollar.
Yes, that's what it is. You don't want to think there. I said, oh no, you didn't have to kill yourself like
But
that,
it's
man.
okay if your car broke down with me on the road and I still have to pay you. I have a problem with that mentality.
My
I'm sorry.
goodness. Because I was so close by down there.
Yeah, go turn over and just down the road.
Exactly.
Could I just call an express or one on time?
Exactly. Yeah, somebody told me about it on time. That's what they're very good. Yeah.
Very in 5-10 minutes they're there.
Wow.
You can even Uber too.
Oh, the Ubers work here too?
Yes.
Oh,
Not
wow.
Uber Eats, but
Uh-huh.
Uber Drive.
Oh, wow. Cool. I got to check it out. You heard, people? Uber works in Jamaica here. You got Uber service. Hi, good afternoon. Oh, that's a, oh wow, cool. That's beautiful. Oh, people, look at these colors. Ooh, I've never seen anything looking this unique. Isn't that pretty? This is the way we choose our colors. Oh, that's lovely. Oh, unique. Isn't that pretty? Oh, I just love this creativity. Beautiful. Beautiful. It's going to be hard to choose though, people. These are all beautiful, man. Tough choice. Wow. Man, these are nice. We'll try a silver though. Oh, I like the silver. Yeah. I love the silver one, the shiny silver. I think I'm going to go with it. The shiny silver, right?
No, it's not. It's not.
Or even this one. This is pretty. I'm going to take off my shades. Peoples. We're almost done, people. I'm going to pick my collar now. She's going to color my feet. I hope you got a good view doing the pedicure in Jamaica versus in the USA. Alright, so when you come here, SPA2Go. Okay, it's 25 Annette Crescent of Waterloo Road. Over and out. See you in my next video. Bye.